Hey guys, it is Tuesday here in West Virginia, and we got a little bit behind. As I mentioned last week, starting this month and next month, we may not have as much time as we did in October to do a video almost every day. So, what we have today is kind of like a merger of Mopar Monday and Two for Tuesday. So, what we have here is a couple of older drag strip demons of the 1965 Dodge Coronet AWB. AFX. I call it that's the class it was in, but AWB, it stands for altered wheelbase. As you can see how the rear tires are moved forward, the front tires are moved forward. So, my favorite one out of all of them that's been released so far is this one here, Dick Landy. Although the Ram Chargers that came out in the last Drag Strip Demon set was pretty cool, there's still a couple more of these that I wouldn't mind getting. The one is the Honker. It's red and white, but that thing's pretty pricey because it was an actual 60s drag car. Then there's the one called Stacked Deck, I think, or Snake Eyes, something. No, it's Stack Deck. Snake Eyes is the Nova, and Stack Deck is pretty expensive. It's the most expensive one, but I don't recall it actually being a race car from the 60s. I don't know. I think it was something that somebody painted up during the 70s or 80s and started doing like some show races with it, but I could be wrong about that. But I do remember these guys, the Dave Strickler and the Dick Landy and the Honker and the Ram Chargers. So those are pretty cool ones. But we're going to unbox these two for you today. First, we'll do my favorite, Dick Landy. And I used to have this guy, and this one actually, the blister glue was so loose, it just kind of came right off. And it was a little nice card, too. Yeah, I had this one last year, and, well, as you guys know, sold out. Go back to the Philippines, and then I came back and started accumulating these guys again. So, here is your Dick Landy one. And this one is pretty much perfect with like the wheel and tire combo, the gray color wheels. The front wheels could have been a little bit skinnier, but still not bad. The diameter is perfect. That's the thing that they did wrong on all the others, is the diameter is too big. And I'll show you that on the Dave Strickler. And as you guys probably can see on the Ram Charger, this one is perfect. So pretty much spot on, like matching, same size diameter. If anything, this would be considered maybe like 14, and that would be a 15, or 15s all the way around. But it is a beautifully done car. Nice detail across the back. Landy's Dodge with the tail light decals. Nice detail on the grill. The Hillborn stack injection. Very sweet piece. Now, this one was, I forgot to even look at that. There were two sets back then, 09 and 10 were when they released these. This is number 15 in the 30 car set. There was a, I forget what it was, a 35 car set, 39 car set, something like that. But anyways, this is number 15 in the 30 car. And this is number 10 in the 30 car. So this is Dave Strickler 65 Coronet AFX. And as you can see, they use those big diameter 5-spoke wheels, which still looks good, but it looks a little bit off compared to, like, this guy. Looks much more era correct, more realistic in my opinion. But let's get Dave's AWB off here and take a look at him. So eventually I would like to get all of these again, the AWBs, but it's going to be pricey and it's going to take a while, especially with that honker and the stack deck. The other ones, like the Drake Strip Demons recent one, isn't so expensive. Well, the time before. The recent one is the Ram Chargers. The time before was the yellow and white one that comes in that 2-pack, the red, white, and blue 63 Plymouth casting, which is, well, that casting right there. So, those are not so hard to find. But the two that are going to be pricey are the Honker and the Stack Deck. But here's Dave Strickler's. Looks pretty good. I actually have him and some IG pics on a trailer being towed by a 70 satellite station wagon, which is pretty cool. I have that in my Mr. Norm's diorama. Dick Landy, I'm not sure where I'm going to put him yet. Eventually, they all may go into the display case with all like my super stock Dodges and Plymouths and things like that. Who knows? But that's a blast from the past. The original drag strip demons. There you guys go. Anyways, we'll be back again probably, I don't know, if not tomorrow, the next day, to do another unboxing video. Not sure what we have in store. I have some stuff coming in. And then I have some stuff here too, more mini GT stuff and some Kaido House stuff and things like that. So tune back in a day or two and I'll have another video up for you guys. Thanks for watching.